Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to change point style. So to create points, you can type PO and press enter. Click on drawing area to create a point like this. We have 3 points in here. And if you want to change the point style, you can type DDP type, press enter. It will be show for the drawing settings and move into the points. For point display tab, like example, I will change into this style. You can click and then click OK to apply. So to change again, you can type DDP type, press enter, and then choose your point style. Click OK to change. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to change point style.